Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper cyclamen known for their upside down flowers. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video along with the template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines, and a print version to hand cut for those that don't have a cutting machine. First, cut all of the flowers on a bright red, pink cardstock paper, and these flowers come in purple, white, pink, and so much, so try different colors. I was trying to add some white pan pastel on just the edges of each petal. It wasn't as noticeable, but still added some gradient. I saw some with red flowers, but white tips on the petal. I also cut the center on the same paper and added dark plum marker on top of the straight edge and little dots around the few fringes that it comes with. You need one center and one flower per flower, and I'll be making a total of 9 flowers for my planter at the end. You can make more or less. Then I cut the leaves on green cardstock paper, and it comes with a pair of a shape that will go on the bottom of each leaf. And I also cut the bottom of the flower also on this same green paper. Only for the regular leaves that kind of look like a heart, I added white gouache paint about a 1/4 inch contracted and draw a heart, and then go back and blend it out so it doesn't look like a straight line heart. You want it to be fuzzy. I also did a variety of sizes of both these leaves. They come with 2 versions. You can do some much smaller and some that are bigger outside of the suggested sizes that I gave you. The more variety, the better it looks. Then go back to the flower and curl each petal, and with the white gradient facing you. Then open it back up and randomly curl the tips back or forward or side. These should look randomly flowing and curling, no specific direction. Then grab the bottom leaf that looks like a star and poke a hole and grab 22 gauge floral wire and make a loop on the end. And bring the loop down to make it perpendicular to the rest of the wire, and this will be what attaches to the bottom leaf. And add hot glue and quickly add the flower on top. Make all the points from the leaves go the same direction as the flower petals. Then as the glue is drying, bring all the petals and the leaves going up. Then use brown floral tape and tape the floral wire. Then add glue on each green leaf and flip the petal back to attach where the bottom leaf is. Do this to the rest of the petals. Then we have the center with a few fringes and a long strip. Start with the fringe side and roll that up and add glue at the end so it doesn't unravel, and then add glue on the bottom and a little bit along the sides and add that to the center of the flower. Next will be the leaves. Make sure to have the leaf and the pair that it comes with, and fold the leaf down the middle just to know where the center is, and then use 22 gauge floral wire and make a loop and add that with the hot glue to the paired shape and add the leaf on top. I also curl the edges of the leaf back, and I like to add about 3 leaves per flower and group them. In this video, I just grouped the 3 flowers and grouped 3 leaves together. Then I separate them by bending the wire to slightly curve away from the center so they are not all bundled up together. I made 3 bundles for my pot and added styrofoam and rocks to the pot and put the clusters of flowers. These are perfect potted paper plants to gift for Mother's Day. I love the heart-shaped leaves and the unique upside-down flowers. I also have other paper plants with flowers on them that you could make for your home that never needs watering and always thriving. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.